The other big question for tech in 2025 is what happens to the once red-hot semis trade. Christina Partsinevelos is here at Post 9 with the setup. Christina.
I like that he just said normal people, but I'll get to that. If you had a basket of chips at the beginning of this year and held, you'd be up at least 40% as seen by the SMH. A winner, no doubt, but that's still less than the rise we had in 2023 when the AI boom first kicked off. The sector has started to unwind for many reasons. You actually talked about a few of them. The return on investment for all of those expensive AI chips, there's a lot of questions about the ROI. China tariff retaliation, big uncertainties there, uncertainties around the Blackwell delivery specifically from NVIDIA, and then the lack of recovery in autos as well as industrials. And so that's why you're seeing the SMH and the stocks that have been pretty much range-bound just since mid-September. Even NVIDIA has been moving sideways just over the last 2 months, especially over headlines about Blackwell delays and any China restrictions and what that would mean for the company. Bank of America said investors are shifting to, quote, China-resistant names and AI beneficiary software stocks like the IGV, which is up, 16% in the second half of 2024. When you compare that to the basket of chips we just talked about, SMH or the stocks, which fell about 11%, really just a different trajectory for both sectors. And this is driven by, again, the weakness in the PC refresh cycle, a slow recovery in auto and industrials, weaker electronics, and really just highlighting the ever-present cyclical nature of chips.
Christina, thank you very much. Joe, you have the most chip ownership here on the desk. Analog devices, Applied Materials, AMD, list goes on and on. Your take on this range-bound nature of chips in recent months?
I think it's important for me to kind of look at the direction of the allocation to the industry. So yes, I might have the most exposure of anyone on the desk towards the semiconductor industry, but in the quarter prior to that, that exposure was even higher than it is today. And in the quarter prior than that, it was at its highest. So we've been reducing the allocation to the semiconductor industry over the last several quarters, largely because of what Christina is talking about. We liquidated Lam Research at the end of October. That proved to be correct. Now you look at some of the other semi-equipment names like KLA Corp, Applied Materials, and clearly that has negative momentum. So when I look at the semiconductors, I think it's going through this phase where it's pricing in a lot of different headwinds. It might be the headwinds surrounding the impact of tariffs. It might be select semiconductors that do not have the exposure to AI and the market share that it's obvious NVIDIA has and that Broadcom has. We haven't seen the recovery in semiconductor chips that have exposure to automobiles or personal devices. So that's been a challenge. Computers, PCs as well. That's been a challenge for a lot of these names. So I think it's becoming a very isolated, narrow set of semiconductors that you could view as having positive momentum. You could look at the other side and say that value is being restored in some of the semiconductor industry, and I don't disagree with that. I think it will, but that has to play out over time.
All right, SMH down 0.75%. Christina, thank you very much. We got to leave it there.